What's up, everybody? So here I've got the Rad battery.
This is the Rad S134R, 48 volt, 14 amp hour, 672 watt hour. I believe this is for the Rad Rover 6. But the tips and tricks in this video will help you out with most of these batteries. So if you're having a battery that has a similar issue, this might help you out. So the first thing we checked on this battery, and this is the part where I'll highlight how poorly made this is. In here is the fuse. So you always want to check your fuse and see if you have a fuse that's blown. So this is how you have to get to the fuse on these Rad batteries. And it's really ugly. You actually have to cut the battery open. Their older batteries did not have this problem. And if you ask me, this is a huge issue. I mean, the battery is glued inside of there, and to get the fuse in and out, it's a pain. I'm sure some people might be able to get the battery to actually pop in and out, but mine was pretty tough today, so we just made it work. So anyways, the fuse wasn't bad on this battery, and it still was not charging. So as you can see, I have it plugged in over here. Now what I did is I plugged it in through the discharge port. This isn't going to blow your house up or do anything crazy. What it's going to do is it's going to jump charge your battery. So at first, the light on the charger was going green, then red, then green, then red. But eventually it started to kick up a charge. When I first measured this battery, it only had 2 volts. So we're going to let it sit for a while and come back to it, and we'll see what happened. All right, so here it is the next day, and voila. Full power. I haven't measured it on my meter yet. One of the things that could happen with this battery is that the capacity could have gone down because it sat at so low power for so long. So we'll have to test it to see if it works, but it does charge, and it will take a charge from the charging port now, which it was not doing before. So we'll play around with it, and in the comments we'll let you know what happened. But the battery is back. If you're having a similar issue, just follow the steps that I showed you, and you might be able to get your battery to come back to life.